Well, look at what we're going to have today. We are going to have Greek wings. Now, these Greek wings have feta cheese, lemon, oregano, and a bunch of wonderful seasonings. And we also have tzatziki sauce. Hey, are you ready to see how to make these? You know we always say, let's cook with ease. Are you ready? All right, come on, let's go. All right, in these wings, we're going to have a few things. I wanted to go ahead and point out to you what some of the seasonings are. In here, I have onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, this is basil, paprika, salt, pepper, and lemon pepper. We're going to have this limoncello, vinaigrette, mustard, Greek seasoning, garlic, and this is a garlic spread. I'm going to add that to the marinade. We're also going to have feta cheese at the end, and right now I'm going to put the ingredients in a bag and I'm going to mix all of the marinade together. I want this to have layers of flavor, and I want this to really marinate through. So what I did, I scored the chicken, so once it's marinating, all the flavors will go through. Okay, now what I want to do is mix up all of our seasons in here. I'm going to pour this in. Really get it in the meat. Already smells wonderful. And then I'm going to start combining all of our other, let me move this over here, all of our other flavors in here. This is really good. This garlic spread can be used a whole lot of different ways, and I got it on Amazon. It's really, really good if you want that garlic flavor. I'm going to use this Greek dressing marinade. I'm going to save a little because I'm going to make like a dipping sauce afterward. I'm going to put a little mustard in here just to enhance that tangy flavor. And then our vinaigrette. This is a lemon vinaigrette. It's going to give it so much flavor. And then our minced garlic. Let's put this in here. Close this up. Just shake it up. Make sure it's all in there. And look, here we go. Now this is going to marinate overnight. Right now it's 8:30 at night. It's kind of late, but I want to make sure that all this good flavor just saturates the chicken. All right, next thing we know, we'll be back in the morning. I'm going to clean up the area and we'll get started with the next step. All right, see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Here are our chicken pieces right here. They have marinated overnight, and I'm really happy with the way that they have turned out. They're beautiful. They're really, really beautiful, and it smells wonderful. And right now, I'm going to take these and I'm going to put them in our heated pan, and I'm going to sear them till they're really nice and brown. All right, so come on and go with me. All right, so in our pan here, I put some extra virgin olive oil just to heat it so it will be ready. I'm going to sear these because I want them to be brown. So I'm gonna put these in here. They already smell incredible. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and let these get nice and brown, and I'm going to do the rest of these, and the next step is to put these in the oven. So far, so good. I hope you're enjoying this. All right, I'll be right back. These have just come out of the skillet, and they're beautiful, and I want to use our marinade to baste them before I put them in the oven. I think I'm going to bake them for about maybe about 20 minutes, because I put them in the pan. They're pretty much good and brown, but I want them to be crispy. So I'm going to turn these over, and I'm going to continue to watch them. I just want them to be very flavored and seasoned. Okay, into the oven they go. Take a look, you guys. These are hot out the oven. You can probably hear them sizzling. They're beautiful, but they're really, really hot. You can even see specks of garlic all over, all the oregano and all the good seasonings. Okay, let's let this cool off, and I will plate this shortly.